Hey book nerds, what's up? It's your girl Sydney. I am back with another video. We are not upstairs next to my bookshelf. It's a little bit of a different video. Instead of talking about books that I'm reading, we are going to read together. So I am going to do a read of my screen time challenge. So if you are interested in content like this, if you like the video, if you have any thoughts or suggestions or anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and dive on into it. So my iPad, and we are going to read my average last week. It is currently Sunday, and so today is February 23rd. It is a Sunday. And so I am going to read for last week's average daily screen time today instead. So my average daily screen time was 4 hours and 42 minutes. And so that's what we are going to read. And hopefully I might be able to finish this book, if not get most of the way through it. But one of my current reads is The Party by Natasha Preston. And it's actually seems pretty cool. It seems pretty good. I'm 4 chapters in. Yeah, 4 chapters, page 37. And so, yeah, let's dive into The Party. And I will see you at time to get a ton of reading done. My husband's gone for a few hours playing pickleball, so he might come in and make an appearance. He might not, but we'll see. So we'll go ahead and read. Something's starting to happen. They're in the cellar. So I don't know what is about to happen, but they're in the cellar. There's graffiti, and it's kind of weird and creepy. And yeah, there's definitely some foreshadowing going on. So let's keep reading. We have 4 hours and 27 minutes left. I read for 4 hours and 42 minutes. I got most of the way through my book. I'm not going to pretend like I'm a super fast reader, because I'm not. Hence why it is not finished. I'm on page 191, and this one has 330, I believe. Yes, this one has 330. So, I'm on page 191. Let's see how far along I am. Just because that's always fun to see. So, page 191. I am 57% of the way through with my book now. And I don't know the exact percentage because I forgot to update that in Fable, but I was on page 44, I think, when I started. I was on chapter 6. Or was I on 4? I don't remember. I don't remember what chapter. I was in like the 30s or 40s of page number. So, yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So, thanks for jumping along on this reading challenge. It was fun. I'm going to keep reading my book because it was really good. So I'm going to read a little bit more tonight. Probably not finishing it tonight, but I'm definitely finishing this within the next couple of days, depending on what my schedule allows for reading. So y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your evening. I hope y'all have a great week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Have a good night, book nerds.